Lindblad Expeditions, we're the oldest and most experienced expedition travel company in the world, and we go to some of the wildest, most remote places on the planet. We're very conscious of where we travel, the amount of waste that we produce. The cleanliness of our ship is so important to keep a healthy environment. Premium purity is unlike anything we've ever seen out there. We did a one-year trial aboard the National Geographic Explorer, and now everyone on the Explorer is an advocate of the solution and its effectiveness.
I'm sitting on board National Geographic Explorer, which is actually the first self-disinfecting vessel in the market. So all indoor areas have been treated with ACT Clean Coat. ACT Clean Coat is a photocatalytic process that works 24/7 when illuminated. It breaks down unwanted microbes such as bacteria and viruses. It's all about creating a cleaner and safer environment and greater protection of the people on board.
The ship is truly pristine and healthy, and we have measurable results to prove it. We have reduced guest-reported illnesses on board by 50%. We've eliminated over 1,000 plastic bottles that we used to purchase and dispose of fleet-wide. We've dramatically reduced the water usage fleet-wide. The crew is now talking about how healthy the ship is and how effective it is to use this solution. ACT has been a great partner, and in the end, if we have a system that's substantially healthier for the environment, we all win.